In this video, we shall be learning about the various qualities of a salesman. So, how the salesman is important in the purpose of sales promotion. So, now let us discuss the essential qualities that a well qualified salesman should have so that it can contribute to the company's future. So, what are the various qualities of the salesman? They are broadly classified into four types. Number one, personal qualities. These are personal qualities. Number two, mental. Number three, vocational, or we can see number three are social, and number four being vocational. So there are four basic types of qualities that a salesman should possess. Now let us discuss them one by one. The first one is personal qualities or personal qualities. So among these personal qualities, a salesman first of all should have an attractive personality. Then he should have a clear voice and his tone of speaking should be natural so as to impress the person dealing with. So it must be having clear voice and a natural tone. So something fake should not be there or the accent should not be modified, otherwise it would be looking too odd to the person dealing with. So the third one should be he must possess a good health and a sound physique. So health is the of prime importance. Should be having good health and sound physique to handle all the field works. A salesman jobs involves a great physical strain because of its touring nature and field job. So only person with a good health can work effectively in these situations. Also, he should be well dressed because it adds to the personality. Well dressed, not in the formals always, but the dress should be decent one. A pleasing and charming personality always create a good impression on buyers. So these are some of the personal qualities that should be present in a salesman. Now the second one is the mental qualities. Now the second one are the mental qualities. Now in the mental qualities, a good salesman should possess a sound memory first of all. It must possess a sound memory and a good presence of mind to handle the situations. Should be having imagination and foresightedness also. Plus capability of sound judgment. So it can easily handle the customer queries. He should be intelligent enough to understand the nature and requirements of the potential buyers. Should understand nature of potential buyers, and he must have the imagination to look at the things from the viewpoint of the customer. A salesman can build regular and permanent customers only through good mental qualities. So it can imagine the situation of customers also, which helps to better understand the customer's point of view. Now the third qualities are the social qualities. Now, what are the various social qualities? A good salesman must have a liking for people and the ability to mix with them. So, a good salesman should must mix with the customers to understand their needs. He must not be shy and of reserved nature. Such people are not fit for the job of a salesman. So a salesman should not be shy and of reserved nature. Thirdly, he should be sincere, dependable, cooperative, and honest. So these qualities are always well liked by the employer also. The salesman should be sincere, cooperative, and honest. A salesman has to deal with different types of customers, therefore, he should have the patience to listen to his customer and remove their objections. So, patience is the key to success here. Patience is the key to success. So, the salesman having good patience level can easily succeed. Lastly, he should always be polite and courteous while dealing with the customers. He must be polite and courteous while dealing with the customers, and he must have the customers in selecting the right type of goods. Courtesy costs nothing but wins the favor and permanent customers. So the courtesy helps to win the favor of customers. Now the last type of qualities are vocational qualities, or the fourth one, these are vocational qualities. Now what are these vocational qualities? A good salesman must have specialized knowledge of selling techniques. So first of all, it must be having the specialized nature of or specialized knowledge of selling techniques. So it must be well trained, the specialized knowledge of selling techniques. Then a salesmanship is highly skilled vocation, so it requires certain training and aptitude to have a thorough knowledge of the product. Such knowledge is essential to handle the objections of the customers and handling the queries as well, and also convinces the customers to buy the product. A person cannot be a good salesman unless he has the required ambition and enthusiasm to become a successful salesman. So a salesman should be having an ambition and enthusiasm to become a good salesman. Moreover, the proper training regarding products should be provided. So that a salesman can easily explain each and every aspect of the product, and moreover can justify that how the product of the company is better than its competitors. So these were the basic skills that are required by the salesman. These are commonly classified into 4 types: personal, mental, social, and vocational. Each of them is having their own importance, so we cannot ignore any one of them. So I hope students, this is a small topic, but sometimes it comes in a short question in your examination. So prepare this, learn these and practice them. So this was all regarding the qualities of salesman.